Hey everyone, it's Okane. I'm back with some analysis and forecasts here for you. If you watched my previous video, we talked about especially the USD CAD here, and we mentioned the number 125 approximately, this support here, and I said that most likely price will reach there, and as you can see it's reached, it's already broken. So I'm going to remove that. And last night we had another break here, quite clear breakout all the way down. So if you look at it on the monthly charts, we'll see we have a stronger target below here. So it seems that this candle is it could still get pushed up and close up there. I mean, this candle is not closed, but if you look at it on the weekly, here on the weekly charts, we'll see we have a red candle closing below the previous support here that we had. If you look at here, you see this candle is below and also below the EMA. It's not closed yet. I mean, there are a few days to go, today and tomorrow, before this candle is closed. This is the weekly chart, so by the end of Friday this candle will close. And then if it closes down here, most likely the bearish trend will continue all the way down towards this area. So I have another area, I'm setting it here based on the bounce from this candle here. So approximately at 1.21, 100, somewhere there. Could be a little bit different on your charts, but that could be the future support if price continues to fall. So a long-term target. So keep an eye on that. So far we've been correct with our analysis, but of course it doesn't mean that price will go just in one step. So there will be multiple support resistance areas. So you should draw trend lines and so on to find different areas. You can do that on the lower time frames. By the way, you can also see if you draw from here, look at this, we'll see we have already a breakout. You could go even further back to connect these tops and highs and lows, sorry, and you can see we already have a breakout, so most likely a continuation will be seen in the next few weeks. So currently we see we have a retracement. It could retrace all the way back up before finally going down. So on the lower time frames, I would suggest you draw trend lines to trade this. For example, if it's going down here, you will be shorting it. Right now we have a channel, so use these analyzers to trade for the USD CAD. So just because we're doing monthly, weekly, daily charts, we're analyzing them, it doesn't mean that you can't trade unless those get broken, because you can still go to lower time frames, find the trends and patterns there and trade. You can see we have a channel here, and so long as this isn't broken, price is still in retracement. So if this gets broken, then obviously it's going to attempt another retracement, maybe to this area and then this area. So you can draw other trend lines. You can see here, for example, this could be another target once price starts moving up. So keep an eye on those things. So what about AUDJPY? If you look at this, it's currently trending down. If you look at it on the monthly, it's near a strong resistance. So it could be heading for the next one, which is here. So it's currently very bullish. If you look at it on the daily, we see it's above this trend line. It's currently above the resistance. Now if we move down to the 4-hour time frame, it's also above this trend line. So I'm considering this bullish so long as it's above this trend line. If it falls below, then it could be heading back here before it continues up again. So I would not take any calls unless it's above here and we see a continuation. So keep an eye on that. And again, you can draw lines on the lower time frames to see breakouts and trade. We could see one breakout here. We got one breakout there. We got another breakout there. could be seeing another breakout here, as well as this trend line. If it breaks up here, then it's a continuation. So that's how you can trade that. So let's take a look at the Euro USD. We see it's dropping below this line here. If you look at it on the 4-hour time frame. So again, on the you see both of them on the 4-hour, they kind of look similar. One is breaking down here. Euro USD is also breaking down here. Of course, it's not confirmed yet. We can see here this one is still holding. So that's it, guys. Give me your comments. Let me know what you think of these videos. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.